Over the years, my husband has had a few tripods that broke within a year. So that's why I had to do an extensive research to choose a tripod for my purposes. And I finally found a perfect one for me. Okay. KF concept. Here's how it looks. Okay. It is easy to maneuver. I can adjust the legs just by using one hand and lock them in one hand. What's great is that these legs are sliding very easily just with gravitational force. So you see I'm closing it one-handedly. I can lock it, I can open it, and it just slides out, right? Now it slides out, of course, because these are the leg is pretty heavy. Now the lower joint, it doesn't slide out that easily. Oh, it slides in, but it doesn't slide out just because it's not that heavy on its own, so you would have to pull it out. But once again, you see I'm filming with one hand with my phone, and I'm sliding it out with the other and locking it in place. Now what I love about it, which that's the thing that broke on most of the tripods that my husband has used, here you go. This piece, this whole piece that usually breaks is made of metal, and that's what makes it so sturdy and so beautiful, right? It's this bowl is metal. It's adjustable. It could go, let's see, it could go 90 degrees down, up, and it turns. It's just so easy to maneuver. And here with this knob, you can just lock it in place. I'm using it right now with my GoPro, so let's see. So I was just here you go. I think this whole piece is made of metal, which makes it very almost, well, not that easily breakable. Like, I'm in the sun, so I don't feel it's not that cold. It is warm, but I think it is metal. So here it extends even more. Once again, I can use one hand if I wanted to, if I need to. Once again, I'm filming with one hand, and I can just lock it in place with the other. It is so easy to use. It is just beautiful. So far, I have used this tripod almost every day in the water. That is what I love about it the most. Look at that. So I used it in the water for 2 months. I used it mostly in the lake. So of course there's no salt there and no chlorine. But here I'm in the pool, and this is just amazing. I can use it above water. I can lower it and use it below water. And I am just loving it. Let's see if I can get it and not mess up my phone. Okay, here you go. Now look at this. You see all the bubbles coming out? So it means that it gets filled with water, and here you go. It's gonna drain. It's draining all the water. It can be used as a selfie stick even. See, once again, one-handedly, and of course by using my foot I can just fold it completely. Here, overdid it a little bit. Here, folding it, and I can, of course it's pretty heavy, but I can use it as a selfie stick pretty easily although it does, of course, it does get heavy as the lever gets longer. So in order to readjust the legs, see, on the way in it just moves just like this, but if you need to make it wider or if you need to fold it, it's you just have to press, bring it in, bring the leg in, press this little button, and then you can unfold it completely or extend the leg, right? So if it's completely extended, you can't press on this, right? It doesn't press, it gets completely locked in. So that's why when you want to extend it or press on it, you bring the leg in, then press it, and of course extend it even more. I absolutely love this piece of equipment, K&F Concept. It's lasting me of everyday use for 2 months already, and it doesn't look like it's planning to break anytime soon. I use it on the ground, I use it in the water, I use it as a selfie stick, and I absolutely adore it. It's easy to manipulate, easy to move, and I love it. It is so worth the money it costs. And of course, I'm going to try to find it on Amazon and put the link below in the description.